Okay, I'm going to introduce you to the Sirena cleaning system. Now you'll notice I said Sirena cleaning system and not a vacuum. And that's because the Sirena does not work like a vacuum cleaner. You see, all vacuum cleaners that are on the market today work exactly the same way. They're all designed to pass air through some kind of a filter, trapping the dirt and exhausting that polluted air back into the air that you breathe. Now the problem with these is they don't work. So what makes Sirena different? Well, Sirena uses water, so we're not trying to pass air through that paper filter. We're actually going to force air down into the water. The big difference is water has no holes, so there's nothing to clog. So unlike traditional systems, with the Sirena you will clean at 100% efficiency 100% of the time. This is especially important for people with allergies and asthma, because now what's going to happen is the air will get forced down into the water, become water washed, and you only get clean, fresh, water washed air back into your indoor environment. And that's going to make a tremendous difference. Pet owners are going to appreciate the 100% cleaning efficiency that we get. We're also going to help save you money because you're never going to need to use air fresheners or deodorizers anymore. So let me show you how the system works. Here's the Sirena. We're going to turn it on. You can see the water swirling on the side. Air is drawn in through our intake, forced down into the water, and exhausted clean and fresh back into our environment. Now, if we want to make this Sirena an aromatizer, we can use any one of our natural fragrances, put a few drops in, and now we're going to aromatize our indoor air for hours. It's going to make it smell wonderful. Now maybe you've been cooking something that you're not crazy about, you have pets, maybe you've been smoking in the house. Our Ocean Breeze deodorizer is going to remove all of those odors for you. Simply take one capful, put it into the machine, and now as the air circulates, it's going to remove all those odors for you. The Sirena is a 2-speed machine. So we're going to put it on low speed now, and on the quieter speed it's going to simply pull the air in, water wash it, and return it clean and fresh back into our environment. Now, the Sirena comes with all the tools that you're going to need to clean everything in your home. So this is our premium power nozzle. It has a trigger handle, so you can release the trigger and that will stop the machine from working if you've picked up a sock or something that you didn't want. We've got the premium high quality hose, 3 height carpet adjustment, and this thing works amazing. We're going to hook it up and we're going to show you just how you can clean some of the things around your home. And what we've done here is we've laid out some typical coffee grinds as well as some pet fur, and we're going to use the Sirena system to clean these up. So we're going to turn it on high, and here we go. You'll notice it's effortless, one pass, and we're able to get everything. Unlike traditional machines where you go over and over and over that spot of lint multiple times trying to pick it up, and you can never get that ball of lint. And what do? You take apart your hose, you check for the suction, you have plenty of suction, you reach down, you pick up your ball of lint, throw it in. Crazy. With the Sirena, you're never going to have to do that. Now, as I mentioned, the system comes with all the premium tools that you need to clean everything in your home. We have our dusting brush, fantastic for doing things like artwork if you would like, or your curtains. Our upholstery tool, great for upholstery as it suggests. It's also good for stairways as well as the inside of cars. We have what we call our crevice tool. This is fantastic for hard to reach spots, things like getting in between the cushions on your couches or in between the fridge and the stove in your kitchen. We also have this premium floor tool. It's designed with holes for airflow so you're cleaning consistently. It's fantastic for doing hardwood, ceramic, tile, any type of floor. But it will also do the walls for you and the ceilings. Which reminds me, the unit comes with 2 extendable wands. You can put these 2 wands together and extend your reach up over 12 feet. Fantastic for doing places like in the stairwells where you can't quite reach those hard to get spots. Now, we also include, with this tremendous special that we're running right now, the Sirena Turbo Brush. This is an air-driven turbo brush designed to get things like in your car, stairs. It's fantastic, it's power-driven, and it will get rid of everything in your home. And the best part of all is the Sirena system comes with a 10-year motor warranty. Nothing else on the market like it. Now, doesn't water just make sense when you compare it to using bags? And doesn't it just make sense that the Sirena will help save you money on things like aromatizers, bags, deodorizers, filters? The Sirena Total Home Cleaning System is designed to keep your indoor environment at its healthiest and to save you money. There's so many things that you can do with the Sirena home cleaning system. Here's another thing that we want to show you. Many people with breathing disorders are allergic to dust mites. Now, whether you're allergic to dust mites or not, you want to get them out of the furniture. So you can take things like the pillows in your home, for example, simply hook the Sirena up, go out and buy an aftermarket bag like this. You can even get those ones that are designed to store your clothes for the winter. Stick the machine in, just hold it closed like this, and when we turn on the machine, watch what happens. We're going to pull all of the air out of the bag, and then what we're going to do is suck all the air out of the pillow. So we're actually removing any dust mites, anything that might be in that pillow. Now, when we turn it off, you'll see it'll reinvigorate again, and your pillow will go back to normal. So it's a fantastic way to clean the pillows or any of the upholstery in your house. It's a great way to do it. Now, of course, the Sirena, because it's using water, will also work as a wet pickup machine. So maybe you knocked over a glass of wine or a beer, or maybe the kids have spilled some Kool-Aid on the floor or something like that. No problem at all for the Sirena system. Simply remove the tool, turn on the machine, and in seconds the mess will be gone. It's really that easy. Now, of course, we have to dry out the Sirena hose. So all we're going to do is spin it around, put the hose on the exhaust, back on the intake, and now we're going to dry the hose out at the same time. And that's all it takes. Now, many of you are going to be curious to see the water inside the Sirena system, and it's not usually very attractive, I will warn you now. So we're going to disconnect the two pieces here. And now you can see the difference between using water as a filter and a traditional filter. With water, everything gets trapped, clean fresh air into your environment. Simply pour the water back outside where the dirt belongs. No messes. Now, one last point that we want to touch on is how to store the machine when you're not using it. It's very, very important that you do not store the machine back on the basin. So what you want to do is just simply set the machine back on the dolly like that, and now you can put it away. So now that you've seen this Sirena Total Home Cleaning System, you can appreciate why we do call it a Total Home Cleaning System. It's designed to keep your entire indoor environment cleaning healthy and fresh and work better than any other system on the market, just so that you have the peace of mind of knowing your investment truly works. The Sirena Total Home Cleaning System.